Hey everyone, welcome back to Fixmaster. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly find your Wi-Fi password on a Windows PC. Let's dive straight into it. First, go to the taskbar at the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the Wi-Fi icon. This will display all available Wi-Fi networks, including the one you're currently connected to. Click on Network and Internet Settings. In the window that opens, scroll down and select Network and Sharing Center. This will open a new window where you can manage your network connections. Under the Connections section, you'll see the name of your active Wi-Fi connection. Click on it. A dialog box will open. Click on Wireless Properties. Go to the Security tab. Under Network Security Key, your password will be hidden. To see it, check the box next to Show Characters. Your Wi-Fi password will now be visible. And that's it. You found your Wi-Fi password in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fixmaster for more quick tech tutorials. See you in the next video.